Wow, it's been a minute since I did one of these. I got distracted for a bit, but now I'm back. I was building another YouTube channel, growing out my hair. Well, that's neither here nor there. But as you can tell from the title of this video, Soundcore just dropped another dope product for the people.
Another one.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
Soundcore was nice enough to send me over 2 of the 5 colorways for these new earbuds. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC earbuds. Now, as soon as you take the lid off of this box, you will be greeted right there with the earbuds right on top. Very nice look right here. You do have your stem style earbud. Underneath all of that, you have some product literature right here. We'll be talking about that. You also get a USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable, and then you get 3 additional ear tips. Now, with 3 that come in the box and 1 already pre-installed on the earbuds themselves, that's a total of 4 ear tips in all. So you have high-res audio wireless, adaptive ANC 2.0. Playtime is 10 hours on a single charge and then 50 hours with the charging case. So the charging case would charge your earbuds back up 4 additional times. Reduced noise by up to 98.5%. This is an IPX4 water-resistant product. You get crisp, high-res sound with 11mm drivers. Noise canceling adapts to ears and environment, which I'll show you inside the app. Okay, very quickly before I talk about this product right here, as you can see, you do have your 5 colorways right here. You have your dark blue, light blue, pink, white, and black. If you order between now and July 10th, which is my birthday, you will get these for $80. If you're watching this video and it's after the July 10th, you're gonna have to pick these up for $100. But after testing this product out and seeing how these actually sound, fit, and all the greatness that comes with this, $100 is not a bad deal for these earbuds, in my opinion. So like I said before, the battery life on these earbuds, on a single charge, you'll get 10 hours, and then with this charging case, you will get additional 40 hours for 50 total hours of playback time. Now, I wanna say that those numbers are based on if you use these with ANC off. If you use these with ANC on, I'm guessing that those numbers will drop, not dramatically, but they'll drop some, maybe, I don't know, maybe 30 to 35 hours total playback time. But either way, that's good enough for me. And also to charge these back up, it's around 3 hours, and these do have fast charge capability, so 10 minutes of charge time will equal 4 hours of playback time. As you can see, this is a small and compact case. You have your indicator light right here on the front side. It also doubles as a Bluetooth pairing button, so if it doesn't automatically connect to whatever mobile device you have, go ahead and hold this button down. The lights on the inside will start flashing, and then it will pop up in your menu. You have your USB Type-C charging port. And yes, like I said before, this case is able to be wirelessly charged, so you get a wireless charger to set it on top. The light will come on just like that. Took a little bit, but it's on, it's charging right now. And this lid door is held closed by magnets. The earbuds on the inside are also held in by magnets. Shake it upside down, they will not fall out. So I'm pretty comfortable that if you are the person that leaves these inside of a gym bag or a purse and let them roll around, that you should be good money, that these will not be falling out inside of your gym bag or purse. And also, I do like how Soundcore puts these lights on the inside of the earbud case. So these lights do more than just look nice. So if they're not paired to a mobile device, as you can see right here, they are flashing, and I do have these earbuds paired to a mobile device, and I think these are just pulsing, not so much flashing, because these are actually paired. Now these earbuds right here, they are a stem style earbud, which is my favorite. You have your touch surface right here on the outside, and I want to say these have maybe 2 or 3 microphones, definitely 1 up top, 1 on the bottom, and maybe 1 towards the inside. I'm not 100% sure about the 3rd microphone if there is, but there's definitely 2 on here for sure. Small, lightweight, and the stem is not too long, so don't look crazy when you put them inside your ears. Very comfortable and no complaints whatsoever. And like I said earlier, the stem style earbud, my personal favorite. The nice thing that Soundcore does, if you do have an Android phone, they do the same thing that Apple does with their AirPods on an Apple device. So if I just open up my next to it, as you can see right there, it should pop up just like that. Go ahead and hit connect. It will start setting up on your mobile device. Now, if you have an Apple device, you have to go through your Bluetooth settings and set it up like that, then go inside the Soundcore app and search for the product. So there are only a few things inside of here that I just wanted to show you really quickly. I'm not gonna do a full rundown in this app. If you want a full rundown, I might be doing a full app review after I drop this video. If so, that YouTube card will be right here. You do have your different ambient sound modes right here. So you have your noise cancellation, normal mode, transparency mode. If you click on noise cancellation, you have different modes inside of here. So you have the option to click on mode and have adaptive noise canceling, manual mode, which you can adjust your noise canceling how you want, and then transportation mode. Me personally, I leave it on manual mode and I leave it up to the max. I don't really want it to adapt back and forth. And then also under transparency mode, you do have different modes as well. Full transparency mode, or you can have it on vocal mode, and I would leave it on vocal mode. You have your sound effects tab, and under sound effects tab, this is where you'll set up. You can have various EQs already preset. So you do have your custom EQ down here at the bottom for the people that are looking for more tailored sound. Me, I just leave it on default Soundcore signature. You also have your Hear ID sound. You can touch and set that up. It's just a series of beeps that go off in your ears, and then they play music. You pick which one sounds better, and they try to customize it as best off of the answer that you give them. And you also have the 3D surround sound right here. I'm gonna turn that on as well. And then you have your controls right here at the bottom. It shows you exactly where the touch surfaces are. You have a single press, double press, triple press, and long press. And for all of these, if you want to go and switch it up, whatever you want in here, change the volume up, volume down. Next track, previous track, play and pause, or none is an option for both sides. The only thing that's different is if you go into a long press and you do pick ambient sound, you do have the option to toggle between noise cancellation, normal, transparency mode, and cycle through that. And you do have to pick 2 of the 3 that are there. So the app does offer more than that, but I didn't want to extend this video by diving deep inside of this app. So that is the app in a nutshell. The sound quality on here is really, really good. I mean, my problem with sound quality normally is that it doesn't get loud enough for my ears. I will have the right amount of bass, right amount of highs, right amount of mids, but the overall sound volume would just be too low. With these, I cannot turn these up all the way. It's just too loud. It's not distorted or anything like that. So I have to play these probably at maybe like 75, 80%. And I do like my music loud inside of my ears. Very quickly, let me go back on the noise canceling transparency modes. Works just as advertised. You will not be disappointed. $80 to $100 earbuds. The noise cancellation and transparency mode in here are going to compete with any other earbuds inside of that price range. Now, when it comes to the sound, like I said earlier, you go into your mobile app and adjust the EQ, tailor the sound exactly how you want it to. I'm more of a dynamic sound person, so I can get these to sound exactly how I want them to sound. For a more in-depth, detailed breakdown of the sound quality, go ahead and check this guy's YouTube page out because he does an amazing job being able to describe the sound. He's more of an audiophile, in my opinion, but I watch his videos often. So go ahead and check that guy out. He does a really good job when it comes to sound quality. This channel is not about that. They sound good, they get loud enough, good bass, good highs, good mids. That's all I'm looking for, and no distortion. So sorry if that's not what you came here for. I apologize. Now, when it comes to latency, I didn't notice any latency whatsoever when I played a round of Call of Duty Mobile. Latency non-existent. Watching TV shows, movies on your popular streaming services, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, Peacock. No latency issues whatsoever. But if you do have latency issues when you get these, there is a gaming mode that you could turn on inside the app. I did not show that to you, but it is available. So if you have any latency issues, but me personally, I didn't experience any latency issues with these earbuds. Okay, people, so that is my full unboxing and first impressions of these Soundcore Liberty 4 NC earbuds. For $80 to $100, you get a nice compact size, really good look, fit, feel, all of that, great sound. You also get an app with these, which allows you to customize these even further to tailor the sound exactly how you want it. If you're in the market for some new earbuds, STEM style earbuds with touch surfaces, you might want to check these out. You will not be disappointed. And that's all I got for you people. As always, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Live channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.